Good morning, guys. It's really early. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I'm here in my parents' room because they are all preparing breakfast in the other room and I don't want to vlog with them there. We have another beautiful day ahead of us. It's not really that hot outside yet because it's probably too early to be too hot. It's 8:30 in the morning, so there is the sea. You can see the difference right there between the sky and the sea. Right there. A little difference. Yeah, that's the sea. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Does some weird thing in the TV, in the camera. Spider-Man. The TV does not work like this. I can see perfectly from my eyes, okay guys? Here's a little view, and the pools are pretty empty right now. I think we are going to the beach now, or like in a few minutes. Here we are, in the beach, or going to the beach. I can't believe I'm vlogging in public. This is weird. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, just chilling here. Okay guys, we are now back from the beach. We've been home for a bit and we went to the swimming pool right there. I forgot to take you with me. I'm so sorry, but I will go in the afternoon again and I'm gonna take you with me. Okay guys, so we are now back from the pool. Yeah, I'm still like this. I woke up like this. No, I didn't. I'm just reading at the moment. Okay guys, so I'm ending the vlog here in the bathroom because there's people, I mean my family, in the other rooms, and in the terrace it's too dark to film, so I'm ending it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this second vlog. If you did, please leave a like, comment. What else? I thought someone was coming in. Comment. What should you comment? Comment if you like these vlogs. Yeah, just let me know. And subscribe if you haven't already. Don't miss my content. Go and see my gaming channel in the description below. Description. It's still hard to say, I know. But my name is Rosher, and I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Tomorrow, yeah. Bye, guys.